Hello, this is Julie Hogue from juliehoguewriter.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my strawberry shortcake ice cream cake. It's super easy. Only takes about 20 minutes, half hour to prepare. And so what you do is you're going to cube a angel food cake, a loaf, like 1 by 1 inches, and then you're going to cube 8 ice cream sandwiches, 4 in one bowl. I do about a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch squares. And then you're going to make a second one because you're going to use it twice. And then you're going to melt 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, and you're going to puree enough fresh strawberries for about 1 1/4 cups, which is about 8 large strawberries. So the first thing I did was I took 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and I greased the entire bundt pan, which is also a fluted pan, same thing. So I just wiped it all down, all in the grooves and everything. And then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab all of your ice cream sandwiches from one bowl. So I'm taking it from one bowl. Just kind of add them in there. Kind of spread them around. It's pretty easy. This is a great dessert for Valentine's Day. It ends up being pink, or Easter, or just any time. It's super easy. You just basically throw this all together and throw it in your freezer. Once I get everything cut up, I kind of try to make it go quick so that the ice cream sandwiches don't completely melt. So, okay, so we got 1 bowl of ice cream sandwiches into the pan, and then next is a layer of the angel food cubes. This is a super yummy dessert. It doesn't really matter how big you make them. I just chop them up. I mean, it could be anywhere from a 1/2 inch to an inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch or inch by inch. Okay, and then so now we have that. So then we're going to take our next bowl of ice cream sandwich cubes. Just kind of sprinkle them all on. They're starting to melt a little bit, so gonna move quickly here. This is a super yummy dessert. You can check it out at my blog, juliehoguewriter.com, where I blog about things for families, mothers, about motherhood, kids, pets, recipes, DIY, and family travel. Okay, so next I'm going to take this strawberry puree and pour it in the melted ice cream. I melted this in the microwave. I think it took about 2 minutes to fully melt the ice cream, which is vanilla ice cream. You stir that in completely. It's all the way mixed. So it starts to turn pink. Get this mixed. It's a super yummy dessert. It's really easy. Kids love it. I love it. It's really neat because the angel food, it kind of keeps this consistency, so you can see it in the cake, the ice cream cake. All right, I'm going to call this mixed well enough, and then you're going to take it and you're going to pour it kind of evenly all around. Best you can here. And then you're going to take a spoon, you're going to kind of smoosh it. In Minnesota, we have lots and lots of snow right now. See, there's all the snow. Look at it. We have had a huge amount of snow. We're supposed to get more today, which is crazy because we had no snow forever, and now we have snow and snow and snow, and it's never stopping. But we live in mountains. Minnesota, what do we expect? And the kids love it because they get to play in the snow. Skiers love it. Okay, so kind of flatten it, smush it like that. Sometimes I use a bigger spoon, so this goes a little bit faster. So pat it all down, and then you're going to take this and put it in the freezer. And somewhere where I can lay flat. I usually do it in my deep freeze just because that's where I have the most room. So I put it in there just till it's frozen, and I often do it a day ahead of time. So For me, I leave it there overnight and just let it sit and freeze, and then you let it sit for a while after it's totally frozen, like maybe an hour or so, and then you should be able to get it out. I usually put a knife along the edges to get it out. So here it is. It looks super yummy. Check it out, juliehoagwriter.com. So this ice cream cake has sat overnight in the freezer. I put it in the deep freeze, flat, and I took it out, gave it about an hour to just chill out on the counter, and then I ran a knife all along the edges to loosen it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of work to get it loose. And I ran a knife all along the edges of it so that I could loosen it and dump it out onto a cake pan. That's all you need to do. It's very easy, very delicious, super yummy. And I have made this with both regular ice cream sandwiches and no sugar added ice cream sandwiches, and it's really delicious with both. I hope you enjoy. I would love it if you followed me. Check me out again at juliehoagwriter.com. Thanks for watching.